Coming about!
This is Flash. He's skirting the edge of the zone. Telling him to leave the area. He's just staying right outside the zone. Over. All boats, Flash. Step 1 seems to be effective. We're approaching the center line. Clipper, prepare for a switch. Step 1 seems to be a little ineffective. We're going to shoulder mountain zone. Over.
We just gotta get in that dock for a minute. Our friend works there. We got some crab we're gonna give him. So, you know, he knows us. It's not a problem.
Sorry, not to I'm gonna have to ask you to leave the area.
It's not a problem. We're just gonna drop it off and
Sir,
we'll be out of here.
You're subject to fines and
Flash rampage there inside the zone.
What are you gonna arrest me for? I'm just giving him some
Sir,
crab.
no,
It's not even a problem. He knows me. I'll give you his number. I'll give you his number. He's on the dock right there. You can probably see him waiting.
All boats, this is Flash. Going to step 2. Over.
We'll call him and we'll shit. These guys are
pushing you out of the boat.
All right, well, we'll give it to him later, I guess.
We'll call him up and then you can
Sir,
be fined and arrested.
I'm gonna fire warning shots.
You're gonna shoot me now because I want to get my friend some crab?
Well, I'll take the move, though. Let's 40 that motherfucker down.
Vessel appears to be leaving the area after warning and shouldering.
Come on, sir. Yes, no, sir. We're conducting a training exercise, and we appreciate it if you can help us and stay 1,500 yards away from the pier.